Nectarina.
Oh man, your weekend garden here with Evie.
Hi guys. Again.
He chilling. So I'm getting a lesson on what this is in Brazil, and here in America, this is a white nectarine. Okay. And I think she says it's nectarina. No, how did you say
Nectarina.
it? Nectarina. Nectarina. Okay, so nectarina.
Nectarina.
Nectarina. I'm close. I was close. Okay, so let's crack this open. Okay. It's smooth on the outside. I like that. Oh, it has a big pit in the middle, seed or whatever you want to call it. Let's see if it's I think it's called clingstone.
Clingstone?
Yeah, cling. It means it
hard.
No, cling means it sticks to you.
Ah, okay, someone grab you.
Or cling to you.
Cling to you.
Okay, so it's clingstone or freestone, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I'm pulling the wig off.
Okay.
Ugh.
What's the problem? This is fruit, this is seed.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Oh, it's weird.
Yeah, that's what I said. Ugh.
Oh, now I see.
Yeah. I'm already not liking this.
What happened here?
I don't know if it's supposed to. You know what?
The seed is open.
I'm thinking, have I ever had a nectarina before? Nectarine.
Nectarina.
Yeah. So this is a white one.
Ah, okay.
So how do you say?
Nectarina branca.
Branca. So it's nectarina blanca?
Yes, it's a white nectarine.
Okay, yeah, I don't say white nectarine. I went to the store.
No, it's just nectarine.
Okay. This is real juicy, I would say that. What's the smell like? Oh, this
smells nectarine. It smells sweet. It smell peach.
Smell like a peach?
Yeah, like a peach.
You know what? I wonder if nectarina is a cousin of a peach.
Yes, I think the same.
You think it's the same?
Yeah, I think the same. It's a cousin.
It's a cousin. So one has hair, one doesn't, I guess.
Yes.
This the
one is bald.
Yeah, this is the older bald-headed cousin. All right, give us your test or your taste. You barely put it in your mouth before you.
Very good, people. Very good. Sweet.
It's like that.
Sweet. And water inside, soft. Very good. I love it.
Love it.
Yeah.
So
10. Yes.
You know what I reserve 10s for?
Why?
I reserve 10s for. Remember that big orange we had, the sumo orange?
Yes, I remember.
I forgot the name.
Yes, I forget this.
But
I think it's toranja. Toranja in Brazil.
Okay.
Oh.
2,000 years later.
Brazil, this would just have a regular name.
Yeah. We call pêssego.
Pêssego?
Too. Yeah, peach too.
Oh.
Yeah. We know it's a kind of peach. Nectarina is a kind of peach.
So it'll be the same thing. Blanco, nectarina.
Yeah.
Okay, and you say you give it a 10?
10.
I say I reserve 10s for that big orange that we had. And remember that red pineapple?
Yeah.
That's a 10.
Wow.
That's a 10.
People.
Everything else is like behind that.
Yes, it's true.
Okay, so here's a real number. Okay. I don't recall if I ever had a nectarine before. So this is actually good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a different number. I'm gonna give this an 8.5.
8.5.
8.5. It's halfway. It's not a 9.
Yes, I know.
It's not a 9.
It's
But
half on the way.
okay.
Yeah.
It's very juicy. I like that.
Yes.
Semi-sweet. Very, very little tang to it. Very little. But I like this.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not sure where it comes from, but I'm just gonna guess America.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know, I'm just guessing. But yeah, it's not bad. If you see this in the store, go get you some. It's not that expensive. I think it's like $1.99 a pound.
Ah, okay.
But it's a different change up between, you know, going to the store and getting apples and oranges. This is a little bit off the beaten path. I'm not sure if this is seasonal. I'm almost
Oh, yeah.
yeah, I'm almost sure it's seasonal. So you get a chance to get some of these nectarines. Nectarina. Yeah, that. If you get a chance to get some of these, go for it.
Yes.
Your Weekend Gardener, Evie,
Bye, guys.
Homeboy,
Yeah, he don't feel well.
and we out.